What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. I am the wannabe, and today I feel like I want to be a sneakerhead. So I know I told you guys I'd bring you some different videos besides just shoes, and I'm working on it. I really am. Next week I actually am bringing you a video that is not sneakers, so stay tuned for that. But real quick, I just want to talk about how this week is the first ever weekly Wednesday. I will be uploading a video every week on Wednesday for the rest of 2018, and then who knows, maybe if it goes well, come 2019 I will be daily uploading. Hopefully that can happen. By the way, I will be uploading every single Wednesday from here on out, but I will also be uploading other times during the week just when I have a video that's ready to be dropped. But you will see a video every single Wednesday for 2018. And with the weekly Wednesday uploads, what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to hit you with a question of the day or a cool life hack that I find in my life and might be good for yours. So today's question of the day is, what is your like kind of guilty pleasure song, or like some of the music you listen to, or like the artists you listen to that maybe you and your friends don't normally listen to? So like me and my friends were really into hip hop and rap, and we like you know, we're pretty basic, I'm not gonna lie. But one of my guilty pleasure songs, I would call it, is I think it's called Never Be the Same by Camilla something. I don't know, I heard it like a week ago and I freaking love that song. Like, I don't even care who hears me listen to it, like what they have to say about it. Like, I love that song, like it's a good song. But and then the artist I would have to say, like, I listen to and I really don't care about like what anybody really thinks about it, is Bruno Mars, man. That's my guy, bro. He puts some fire music out there, always putting great songs out. So that is mine. What is yours? Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so now for the video. As you guys can see in the title and thumbnail, we are testing out Crep Protect, but we are doing multiple tests. Well, I mean just 2 tests really. But when you see people testing Crep Protect, what they do is they spray it on and then they let it like dry and like actually set in, and then they show you. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you what it's like when you just put it on, and then what it's like when you put it on like a couple weeks ago. I'm going to be showing you guys Crep Protect's capability on these Ultra Boosts I have. I really like this shoe. This is one of my favorite shoes. I really like gray shoes and Ultra Boost, man. So like gray Ultra Boost, like this is, I love this shoe so much. So if this shoe gets ruined, I'm gonna be so mad if this Crep Protect does not work. I mean, I'm pretty sure it works. I actually know if it works or not, but with what I'm gonna be doing to this shoe, I don't know how well it's gonna do with how much Crep we put on it. So we're gonna roll into that, and I'm gonna be back afterwards to get the second test started.
Look, yeah, said she only fuck with bad guys. Rip jeans, rip shirts, think I'm that guy. Got a sound that they want, you can't be me. Might pull out with a stick if you try me. Young thrill, drug stuffed in P-codes. Search for love but you can't find cause you're too fake. Want love but I back out like fuck that. No disrespect, you're not dope like fuck that. Got a view that I see that you can't see. Penthouse far away, can you find me? She leaves her stuff in my room like I don't see. Got hoes but I take a chance on you now. Yeah, I fell in love.
Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you can see in those aftershots, but the Crep Protect repellent did not actually work. You guys know I vouch about their sneaker cleaner. It did a wonderful job on my shoes as far as cleaning them, but the repellent itself did not do a good job in keeping water out. My shoes actually got really wet when I put them underneath the faucet, and to be honest, I'm not pleased. Like, that's like their #1 product. Like, that's the product that they promote the most, and it did not even work. So very, very unhappy with that. This is the honest truth. Like, you guys saw the results. You guys saw me spray them. I did it twice. I didn't film the second time, but I promise you I did it twice, and the shoes did get wet. The Crep might not have worked because of the shoes I was using. You guys saw the Ultra Boost. They had the holes in them. That might be why the Crep didn't work. I'm not really sure. I just know that it did not actually do the job. I'm gonna have some help here soon, and you will see that it does work. It does work on most shoes, but just not those shoes. So if you have like some holy shoes or some real breathable shoes, it's probably not gonna work on those ones. But the real test and the real question I think a lot of us want to know is, how long is it gonna last? So for this part of the video, I'm gonna have to call in some help to show you guys this stuff's real capability. Alright, so help has arrived, and longtime viewers remember who this is. This is my girlfriend Kendall. She was in a video a while back. That video will pop up in the eye if you want to watch it after this one. But she's gonna help. How she's gonna help us out is, like 2 weeks ago when I first got the Crep Protect, I sprayed it on her Uggs. She has a really nice boyfriend who got her some nice Uggs for Christmas. So I sprayed it on her Uggs so her Uggs wouldn't get all messed up. And so it's been about 2 weeks. The Crep Protect is only supposed to last about 2 weeks. So it's probably been longer than 2 weeks, huh?
Yeah, it was before Christmas.
So it's been a bit longer than 2 weeks, so the Crep Protect should be completely worn off by now. At least that's what it says on the label, so you should have to reapply. So we're going to see if that's exactly the case and how long that this stuff can last. Alright, so we're at the sink now, and Kendall's going to go ahead and pour this cup of water on the Uggs to see if it still works. And remember, it has been about 3 weeks, so if it does still work, it would be longer than Crep even says that it's supposed to last. Alright, so as you guys can see, Crep Protect is a pretty reliable product, and like I said in my last video, which will pop up in the eye right now, I think Crep Protect is going to be my new sneaker cleaner. If you guys have any sneaker cleaners you want me to go ahead and try out, leave them down in the comments below. I'm looking for some new sneaker cleaners to try and throw in that series that I have going on. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It'll pop up right now as it popped up earlier in the video as well, but there it is for you again. If you made it this far in the video, obviously I did something good for you. I either entertained you or I informed you on something that was in this video. So go ahead and hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. It's always appreciated. And that is all I have for today. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.